Welcome back to 876 Jamaican topic. This is Shan. In this upload, we have updates on Ivany incarceration. Also in this update, man speak on what the prisoners did to escape jail time. Before we jump into this video, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Ivany page went live and expectedly a lot of person joined the live, but it was not Ivany, but someone close to her had update on her situation.
Kelly, she wanted me to just let you guys know. I think there was a lot of misleading information. Yes, this is me. There was a lot of misleading information, and things could have been dealt with in a better manner than the way it was. And first of all, let me say thanks to all the people who have been trying to reach out to me, and also the people who donated to the first lawyer that was paid. I just want to clear something up, guys, so you guys understand what's going on. First of all, yes, guys, this is nuts. Guys, this is nuts. First of all, I know some money was collected and basically going on, and then there wouldn't have been all this animosity that's been going on live. But what is done is already done. We can't go backwards. We have to move forward.
Viewers and subscribers, Ivany's situation is indeed very, very sad. I know she's missing her child right now, and of course, I know her child is missing her. As she waits her outcome, no one knows the time frame that it will take for her to be released. But hoping for the best and hoping she gets released without deportation. Well, all of this could have been avoided, all of this. But sometime you have to learn. We have all seen Ivany behavior on the internet. But regardless of that, the situation is indeed very sad. And I don't wish this upon anyone. But I hope it will all play out for the best. Do remember to leave a like on this video. Share this video. Comment below, let me know what your reviews down below in the comment section. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.
A man go fix him clothes. See? Fix him clothes. And send in him clothes come in. And the youth tell me, say, Omar, me I go court today. You know, see me back card. The other man said me I bust me case today. What you think say go on? As the man go court, sir, and me I look 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, I look for see him come back. 7 o'clock, none of him. When me here, road him there, that I does one person, one person that me can tell you more than about 30 person who me see that with. Me they are court with Ronnie Kleng and Warren Minto. And Warren Minto and Ronnie Kleng can tell you say true this me attack. Peter Pike can tell you say true this me attack. Peter Pike see this too. Peter Pike in the court and witness this. Peter Pike can tell anybody say what Omar Anderson say true. Me in a court and them a try me. And Ronnie Kleng go up and Warren Minto go up go talk. Go testify against me. And when Ronnie Kleng go up, which are Ronnie Kleng are the main witness. You see, when Ronnie Kleng go up and testify against me, I run Ronnie Kleng, run out of the dock, run push part the judge there, so jump over the thing and run, go out on the judge balcony. The judge, me say the Miss Dunbar Green say, what is this? Police, go and get him quick. And the police them run go catch him and carry me in back. Miss Dunbar Green have to call off the matter and say, well, the court adjourned. The court have to go take a break. And the court take a break. And then we go back in and the trial continue. My people, let me tell you, me now ask Christ this. A jailhouse me there and prison house me there and see some of the wickedest science them lick. Me not ask you this. Even in a cartel thing, a two set of science a fling right now. Cartel a film set of people them I want him come a road where I try work science film for come a road. And you have another set of people where I try keep cartel behind the bars and work science pan him for keep him there. My people just believe me no man. A hell me I come from. Hell. Prison and jailhouse a hell. You learn everything. That's what me tell you, you know. Me know good and me know evil. No boy can't teach me nothing about good and evil. No man. And anybody I telling about say evil no exist, run them way. I fool them. Cause the first question you must ask them if Satan exists. And once them can tell us say yes, Satan exists, well tell them say you don't need to hear nothing more. Because the Almighty represent good and Satan represent evil. So no make nobody tell you nothing at all. Just like how that springer, look on it. That spring there, and no man create this. Where you see me sit down, you know. You understand? And no man create it. I see him where good and evil, and no man create good nor evil. It exists. And I just which entity you choose for work with. I see people work with good entity and bad entity. So Omar Williams, man, I make nobody trick you, man. And me, I tell you, me see it, me see the face of evil. 2010, me have a girl live in Morant Bay. And to be exact, Lethal Works Yard. And me can tell you this, brother. She invite me a one thing called Duppy Bands. And the first time that me I go at a Duppy Bands, go see people a jump coming. And man a climb banana tree back where man a walk on them head. Man a climb light post back where. Listen me, my people, man. This thing is real. No follow nobody. Good and evil is real. Omar Williams, follow me, no follow no fool where I come tell you no crap.